Hey everybody, this is Janetta Barry. First of all, thank you very much for registering for this upcoming training, The Ultimate Write, Publish and Promote Your Story Strategy. I just want to tell you what we're going to go over to sort of prepare you on what's going to happen. First of all, this webinar is very different from others you might have attended that talk about writing and publishing, because this is about a special way of telling your story. And we're going to be joined by a Hollywood screenwriting maven. And together, we're going to talk about some things you can do so your story will stand out and resonate with a world audience. This webinar is not just about plain writing and publishing, but it's really about using screenwriting principles to structure your story so it reaches people on a deep emotional level. I personally can vouch for this. I've tenfolded my earnings as a life coach, speaker, and author by expressing my personal true story in a refreshingly unique and different way. If you're a self-help professional, a life coach, speaker, author, healer, or anyone who helps people grow in mind and spirit, and you have a personal true story you feel inspired to share, then the ultimate write, publish, and promote your story strategy is about actual Hollywood secrets you can use for telling your story in such a way that it actually makes a difference. The simple truth is, if you do this right, your story will come from a deep-felt, authentic place that readers will identify with. And to get you started right now, there are 3 questions I want you to start thinking about, and we're going to go over them during the webinar. You'll find a download link here on the page so that you can have them in front of you when our Hollywood maven walks you through them. Question 1. Does your story read like a movie? Does it create a movie in the mind of your reader? Question 2. Does your story take the reader on an emotional journey? Does it put your reader smack in the middle of the highs and lows of your experience, so your reader is left somehow changed by reading it? And question 3, does your story have a surprise twist? Does it leave the reader with a big aha? And while this webinar will be very much about how to write your most inspiring story ever, it will also be about getting your name and message out there. So get ready to hear all about fast-tracking your story to a world market. See you on the webinar.